Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 6th Mathematics and its lesson number 15, Triangles and their properties. So let's start lesson number 15, Triangles and their properties. In these two diagrams, this is the triangle. Okay, see here, this is triangle ABC. Okay, now first we see definition of triangle. See here, a triangle is a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. Okay, triangle is a closed figure and it is made by joining three non-collinear points by line segments. See here, these 3 points are non-collinear. This is point A, point B and point C. Now these 3 points are joined. Okay. After joining these 3 non-collinear points, we get this figure, and this closed figure is called triangle. Okay, and here point A, point B and point C are called vertices of triangle. Okay, see here I write down vertices are point A, point B and point C. Okay, and triangle has 3 sides. Okay, here triangle ABC, and triangle ABC is written as in this way, triangle ABC. Okay, and triangle ABC has 3 sides. 3 sides. These are segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. Okay, triangle has 3 sides and triangle has 3 angles. This is first angle, that is angle BAC, this one, angle BAC. Now this is angle ABC, angle ABC, and this is angle ACB or BCA, angle ACB. Okay, so these are the parts of a triangle. Okay, that is the sides, angles and vertices are called parts of a triangle. Okay, remember this is all about triangle. Okay, now we will learn types of triangles. One way in which that can be classified is based on sides. Okay, first is based on sides and another way is based on angles. Based on angles. So first we will learn types of triangles based on sides. Okay, first type of triangle is a triangle which has all its sides equal to each other. Okay, see diagram. Here in triangle ABC, length of AB equal to 4 cm, length of BC equal to 4 cm and length of AC equal to 4 cm. Okay, that means here length of each side is 4 cm, and you know that to show they are equal we put the same mark on each of the sides. Okay, see here, this is identical mark on each side. Okay, all three sides are equal. Such a triangles are called equilateral triangle. Okay, first type is what? Equilateral triangle. Okay, remember that all sides have to be equal. Okay, the word itself tells you that equi means equal. Okay, and lateral means sides, that is equal sides. Okay, so equilateral, so definition of equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides equal is called equilateral triangle. It's called equilateral triangle. Okay, so as per definition we can say that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, because here length of each side is 4 cm, therefore we can say that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now see next type. Next type of a triangle is a triangle which has two sides equal. Okay, see this diagram. In triangle PQR, length PQ equal to 5 cm, length QR equal to 4 cm and length PR equal to 5 cm. Okay, that means we can say these two sides are equal. Okay, because length of PQ is 5 cm and length of PR also 5 cm. Okay, these two are equal. Okay, such a triangles are called isosceles triangle. Okay, that means second type is isosceles triangle. Okay, so definition of isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, so as per our definition we can say that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle because here length of these two sides is equal. Therefore triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now see third type. Next is scalene triangle. Okay, a triangle which has no two sides equal. Okay, see here diagram. In diagram, length of XY equal to 5 cm, length of YZ equal to 4.5 cm and length of XZ equal to 8 cm. In this triangle, the length of three sides is different. Okay, that means this is a triangle with no two sides equal. Okay, therefore triangle XYZ is said to be scalene triangle. Okay, so definition of scalene triangle is a triangle with no two sides equal is called scalene triangle. Okay, so by this definition we can say that this triangle XYZ is scalene triangle. Okay, so Here we learn types of triangles based on sides. First type is equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. Second type is isosceles triangle. Means a triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. And third type is scalene triangle. Okay, a triangle with no two sides equal is called a scalene triangle. These are the types of triangle based on sides. Now we will learn types of triangles based on angles. And first type is acute angle triangle. Okay, see this diagram. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal to 50 degree, measure of angle B equal to 72 degree, and measure of angle C equal to 58 degree. These three angles are acute angle. Okay, acute angle means an angle which measures less than 90 degree, and these three measures are less than 90 degree. Okay, that means in this triangle all three angles are acute angle. Okay, this type of triangle is called an acute angle triangle. So definition of acute angle triangle is a triangle with all three acute angle is called an acute angle triangle. Okay, so as per our definition we can say that this triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Triangle ABC is an acute angle triangle. Okay, now next type. Second type is right angle triangle. Okay, see this diagram. In triangle PQR, measure of angle P equal to 50 degree, measure of angle Q equal to 90 degree, and measure of angle R equal to 40 degree. Okay, in this triangle one angle is right angle. Okay, and these two angles are an acute angles. This type of angles are called right angle triangle. Okay, so definition is a triangle with one right angle is a right angle is called right angle triangle. Okay, therefore by this definition triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Okay, last type is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, see this diagram. In triangle LMN, measure of angle L equal to 30 degree, measure of angle M equal to 110 degree, and measure of angle N equal to 40 degree. In this triangle, one angle is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means an angle which measures more than 90 degree, and measure of this angle M is 110 degree, that is it is more than 90 degree. Therefore angle M is obtuse angle. Okay, here one angle is obtuse angle and two angles are acute angle. Okay, so this type of angle is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, that means that so the definition is a triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so by this definition, in this triangle, one angle is obtuse angle. Therefore, we can say that triangle LMN is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So here we learn types of triangle based on angles. First type is acute angle triangle. A triangle with all three acute angles is called acute angle triangle. Second type is right angle triangle. A triangle with one right angle is called right angle triangle. And third one is obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now we see properties of triangle. First property is the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Second property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Okay. In this lecture we learn about types of triangle based on sides and based on angles. In next lecture we will learn practice set 36. Okay, I hope you understand about types of triangles. Thank you.